A very good morning, my dear loving children, and welcome to Vidyanagar Public School's online class. In the last class, we were discussing the chapter 12, What If It Finishes, right? Yes, and in that chapter, we saw some students are going for a trip. Where were they going? Yes, they were going to visit Athlete Stepwell. It is situated 18 kilometers away from Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is in Gujarat, right? Yes, and in that chapter we saw that about petrol, yes, right? And they have read something on that poster. What did they read? Yes, these petrol and diesel is something which will not last forever. So use it properly, use it wisely. Okay, why? It is not something which we can renew. It is not a renewable energy, or it is not renewable resource. Okay, so renew means we can get it back. It is not possible to get it back. You have read in the chapter that in order to make the petrol in the form of petrol, there is lots of effort. How this petrol is made under this earth? By, yes, by the waste, by the leaves, by this, all these waste which is there in the underneath of this earth for lakhs of years. For lakhs of years they have to be there, and after so many years only we will get that petrol. So once it is finishes means we will never be able to get it back again. It is very difficult. It will take so many years to get it back, right? So petrol is something which we cannot renew. It is non-renewable energy. So today we will see what is renewable energy and non-renewable energy. Here you see, okay. What is renewable energy? Yes, renewable energy means which it is the energy which does not get exhausted, For example, solar energy, wind energy. And what is non-renewable energy? Yes, it is the energy which get exhausted. Which means it will get finished. Okay. What are the examples of non-renewable energy? Petrol, diesel, and this natural gas, and what we can say nuclear energy. And we can say that diesel, all these are non-renewable energy which we will never be able to renew. It's very difficult. Okay, so today we will see further what is happening in this chapter, and also we will discuss the difficult questions that has been asked in your textbook. Okay, so listen to this lecture very carefully. Okay,
so look at this table. What is there in this table? Yes, the rate of 1 liter in 2002 and 2007. Rate of petrol and diesel. Below that you see the question. In dash years, the rate of petrol went up by rupees dash. The rate of diesel increased by rupees dash. How do you find this? Yes. How many years difference is there from 2002 to 2007? 5 years, right? So in 5 years, the rate of petrol went up by rupees what? 19. There is the difference between petrol price and petrol price in 2002 and 2007. What is the difference? 19, right? The rate of diesel increased by 15 rupees. And what was the difference in the rates of petrol and diesel in the year 2007? How will you find? 47 minus 33. So you will get the answer 14, right? Children, tell me, why are the prices of petrol and diesel is going up? Yes, the production of petrol and diesel is very limited and consumption is increasing day by day. That is why the prices of petrol and diesel are going up, right? Yes. Here you see a bar diagram. Okay, the bar diagram, the chart shows the number of houses out of 100 that use each type of fuel. Here you see which are the types of fuel. Yes, electricity, coal, LPG and kerosene, and upla and wood. What is upla? Upla is cow dung cakes. Okay, so here you see these questions. In year 1976, out of 100, how many houses used upla and wood? 84 houses, right? And see the next question. Which was the fuel used in least in 1976? Yes, you can see electricity, right? Only one. And see the next. In 1976, LPG and kerosene were used in dash houses, and in 1996 this increased to dash. This means that in 20 years their use increased by 80%. How much? 80%. So the answer is here. And see the next question. Out of 100, how many houses were using electricity in 1996? 5 houses. Which fuel was used the least in 1996? What percentage of houses used it in the year 1976? Yes, answer is coal was used the least in 1996, and in 1976 it was used in 5% of houses, right? Yes. This is the end of the chapter. Before that, you have to make a poster with a message on saving fuel. Write a slogan too. Where would you like to put up this poster? For that, this is your homework. Okay, here is an example for you. This is an example. Don't copy all this. You can write a beautiful slogan by your own, and you can draw a picture your own. Okay, do you like to see the journey of petrol? Here it is. The first step, drilling, right? We have to dig the land. And second, transportation. Then third, refining. Okay. And then petrol depots. And then finally it reaches to the petrol pump. Okay.
So, my dear children, I hope you understood this chapter very well. Okay, all of you do that mathematical part in your textbook, and your homework is to write down those questions which cannot be written in your textbook. If there is no space, you can write it in your notebook. Okay, and this is my last class, so I hope you will learn and study very well in the coming days also. Okay, all the very best for your studies, all the very best for your future. Okay, all of you should study very well. Take care. See you. I hope I can see you next year, might be. Okay, bye.